water wake bait, ready for some action. Let's see if we can get one, and we did. Cast number 1, baby. Got it. Oh, it's a jumper. Really deep. And that's all it took. Check it out, guys. Oh man. So I'm here at a waterfall that I just made a video at not too long ago. My bad for that. But I would love to catch a carp or some bass. I really need a Fish Ohio carp. But, oh, we'll see. See if I can pull that off or not. Oh, that was a bite. That was a bite. Oh, it's a bass. Come on, eat it, buddy. He keeps missing. He's missed it 4 times. Wow. This is not really, I don't even have to cast to get there, but he might have seen me. Ah, dang, the line keeps getting stuck. No! Don't get stuck, dude. There we go. We're kind of in there. Oh, I got a bass. Got a bass. I didn't hook set really well, but I got him. Get up here, bud. Yeah. We got him this time. Oh man, what a sweet catch. I love when the fly fishing is successful. It makes it so fun. All right, little guy. Sweet, man. Oh, yeah. That just makes it so cool. I gotta get a picture of this one. Hang on, I got you. I'm getting the fly out. You're probably thinking it's about time. There it is. Cool little fish. I think that's the same little guy that was hitting right there. But he got him. See you, dude. Put him back down where he was. That's not that big of a drop. I'd like to get out to that point out there. Ooh. I feel like I want to take my own self out with this fly rod, man. Oh, get out there. Come on, big old fish. You gotta be in there. Oh, there's a big carp. Yes. Finally see one. Dude, that's a giant too. No, hold on. There's 2 carp over there. I might have a chance if I can just get this thing over there. No, bad one. Right there, right there. Oh, perfect. No way, he's spooked. No way, dude. How do they know? Wow. Dude, that is tough. I'm gonna be real. Those things are stupid smart. Well, I'm not saying I'm giving up on the carp, but I think I have a better chance at bass fishing right now, so I'm gonna put the fly rod up for the sake of time. Come in here with a 4 1/4 inch Nico Helgermite. This thing is kind of huge. Hey, but you know what? The fish like them. Oh, got one. Right away, baby. Yeah. First cast down in the bottom. We got us a bass. Sweet, dude, right off the point. That's crazy that they weren't going off after that fly. I guess he just didn't want the fly. Uh-oh. Oh, never mind. Okay. I didn't really hook him that well, but good enough. He took it right away and just started running with it. I'm gonna toss him down here in the foamy water. See you, little guy. I really need to get to the very back of that pool, way back there. That's it. Oh, there's a fish, but I spooked it. Stuck on a rock. I need something to come and eat that thing and get it off the rock for me. Oh, we got her. Oh, that's a bass. As soon as I flipped it up over the rock, this boy came out after it. Okay, we'll take that. Thanks, buddy. Oh, hang on. Let me get you out of there. Let me get you off. Barely hooked, but hooked well enough. See you, dude. So the lesson on that cast is always play your cast out. I was stuck on a rock. I was stuck on a rock and I flipped it up over the rock, and a lot of people will get it unstuck and immediately reel it back in. Well, there's no point, man. Sometimes, you know, a little random movement like that can look a little bit, I mean, it can trigger a fish just to go and zap it. So leave it in there for a second and play that cast out. If you can be patient enough to do it, and I don't always, but I try to. Because sometimes it'll benefit you. The phone is blowing up from Matt Wesley. Matt's fishing mission, shout out, buddy. Dude, the log jam is gone? That is amazing. Sorry, you saw that log jam like last week? Dude, that's nuts. Check this guy out, man. You don't trust me when I say Nico Helgramites or Nico products, all their soft plastics are quality. Look at that, I'm stretching that leg way out there, like 6 inches. And it doesn't break. Go to my homepage on YouTube, and I will have a link to Nico's website, and punch in the code word downwind when you check out, and that will save you 10% off of your entire order. Now that's a pretty good deal. You don't have to do anything but type in a word, and you get 10% off of these quality soft plastics. I have used them for years, and they have produced many quality fish. Whoa, that was a bite. Good night. He just didn't commit to it, but that was a pretty hefty bite. Come on, big bass or massive carp. Dude, a smallmouth would be pretty cool. I never catch smallies here, but when I go downstream, I do. Why I don't ever catch them in this pool is beyond me. Okay, we're gonna go in with this wake bait. It's a little miniature wake bait, throwing this on the BFS rod. This here is a 6'8" Daiwa Steez light power fast action with a PX BF TW70 reel from Daiwa. It's 8:6 gear ratio. Finesse game special. It's a sweet combo, guys. I'm very pleased. I'm throwing 10 pounds straight braid on there. Got a topwater wake bait ready for some action. Let's see if we can get one, and we did. Cast number 1, baby. He's down there and I can't get to him. Dude, That's a smallmouth. I just got done saying how I never catch smallmouth, and I just caught one. Are you kidding me? This is exactly what I did not want to do, because snakes, ticks, spiders, oh, but I don't want to just kill a smallmouth bass. Ouch. So down I go. Hey, where'd my fish go? Oh, there he is. Oh, you're okay. Come on. There you go. Alright, see you, buddy. Wow, finally caught my first smallmouth here after years of fishing here. I literally just said 2 seconds ago how I've never caught one here, but I know people who have. Anybody there? Yep, there's a bite. There's a little bite. Got him. Oh, he's a jumper. Smallie number 2, baby. Are you kidding me? From 0 to 2 on the smallmouth right here. Wow. That's so cool. I think I was hooked up on one a couple years ago. I thought when it jumped that it was a smallmouth, but I was like hesitating to believe it because I never caught one here before. Okay, you've got to chill, buddy, and I'm going to wait because it's just not worth my fingers. There we go. I used to not be afraid of trebles. Hundreds of massive fish. I'm talking like 3-4 pound, one after another largemouth with 6-inch traces, big hooks. Oh my goodness. And then one day I had one go in my hand, really deep. And that's all it took. When you have one go inside one end and out the other, and through your gloves, yeah, it's just not worth it. So now I'm kind of a baby when it comes to the trebles, I'll admit it. Yeah guys, we're at 7% or 6% left on this GoPro. Ouch. Good night. I doubt we'll catch any more fish today. I'd say realistically, we're probably done. Unless I swap batteries and just stay forever, but I want to go home. I miss my wife and I miss my baby boy. I'm telling you what, you have a kid and a family and a schedule that allows you to be around them. It's really a blessing and it changes your perspective. Thank you all for watching. I love you all in Christ, and I do hope and pray that you see your need for Jesus. He gave us each an opportunity to have our own personal miracle, that is salvation through Christ and what he's done on the cross for us. And if you have any questions about that, please ask me. I would love to explain anything that I know that you might have a question about. Now if I don't know, I'll tell you I don't know. Anyway, that being said, see y'all next time.